Do you know what a FloodSax is? This is a quick FloodSax instructional video. Well, let me tell you. A FloodSax is a sandless sandbag. It weighs under 1 pound and absorbs 5.5 gallons of water in 3 to 5 minutes. That's 45 pounds of water. No sand, no mess. So this is how it comes packed. 5 vacuum-sealed FloodSax in a bag, like this, which equals 225 pounds of water, and 4 of these in a case, which equals 900 pounds of water. Look at me, I can lift 255 pounds of water. And let me show you how this works. Absorbing lots of water. Would you look at that? That much water absorbed already.